Hey, what's up? Sami here. So a couple months ago, Hizero reached out to me with the latest F100 hot floor cleaner, and they claim it is not my grandma's cleaner. Of course, they didn't say that literally, but they did claim it is Bionic and does sweep and mop all at once. It's not just any floor cleaner. I mean, whoa, right? So let's cut to the chase and see if this thing is the real McCoy or just some wacky wizardry. Let's do this. So the F100 hot floor cleaner comes with a very detailed manual. The box also includes a base stock for the cleaner. Now the rest of the parts are all snugly packed in the little cardboard bags. You open the upper body of the floor cleaner. I'll get to that in a second. And of course, what's a floor cleaner without some cleaning related tools? You get a cleaning roller, a cleaning brush, a brush cleaner, a bottle floor detergent, and the power adapter. And last but not least, the main body of the F100. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the design. So up top, we have two physical keys, the on-off button and the mode button. But wait, there's more. There's actually a display below them that shows all sorts of funky information. Now, to connect the upper body to the main body, all you gotta do is pop it like I showed in the video. If you want to take it out, just poke the snap hole and get the stick out. Now, moving on to the back, we have the power port. But let's get to the really juicy stuff, the tanks. We got the 700 ml clean water tank, which might have some residue water inside from testing. It's totally normal according to the official info. The dirty water tank is on the main body head with a 750 ml capacity. That should be enough to take moderate sized rooms. Take out the cover. This is where the brush roller is located. We have a smaller container that's used to collect solid waste. Well, the part I'm showing you now is the motor that drives the cleaning roller. We just install it like this. And don't forget about the wheels. This baby has got several for easy peasy mobility. All in all, this design might not be the most complicated, but it's got everything you need to get the job done. I mean, in the floor cleaner world, it's all about cleaning ability, right? So let's see if this bad boy lives up to the hype. Before using the F100, a quick warning: no carpets allowed. Remove any cute doors, lounge on said carpet, and for the love of what is holy, clear the floor of small hot toys. Trust me, the F100's dedicated main brush cannot take the pain. Alright, time to get down to business. Soak that cleaning roller like it's a sponge in the tub, then give it a good squeeze to release any pent-up emotions. I mean, water. Fill up the tank with cleaning water, throw in some detergent if you're feeling fancy, and make sure it doesn't overflow like a toilet during a flat party. I mean, below the max mark. After putting everything back in place, unlock that bad boy, give it some juice with the power button, and you're off to the races. And if you want to really kick things up a notch, hit mode 2. To test the cleaning ability, I put it through all kinds of spills and stains, and I found that the F100 was just great. I tried some wet dirt like soy sauce, chilled mango sago, cream with pomelo. Yes, that's what they call it for this drink. A bottle of mystery liquid, noodles, and biscuit, and clean them like a boss. To demonstrate how it handles stubborn stains, we sprinkled mixed flour powder on a wet surface, because in this way, the powder would quickly stick to the ground. As you can see, it didn't pick up on the first pass, but after a few more repeats, it cleaned everything. I even took one more step further by dropping several ketchups and let them dry for several hours. And you know what? It did a pretty darn good job. After a few more runs of cleaning, it got rid of those pesky stains. I'm happy with the results. I guess even if I used a traditional mop, I think I'd still need to scrub to get the results like this. The cleaning technology adopted by F100 is called Ultimate Clean Bionic cleaning, which emulates the way animals lick up liquids and solids to deliver a cleaner, quieter, and dust-free floor cleaning experience. These are their own words, and I don't know if they came up with these terms to sound cool and sell more expensive products. However, judging from the cleaning performance, it's excellent and capable of handling tough daily cleanings, right? They mentioned that it's quieter, so I measured the noise level and found it to be around 55 decibels. This is definitely one of the quietest cleaners I've ever tested. This is great because I can now clean my home without disturbing my two bosses while they're watching TV. One concern about using a wet and dry floor cleaner is its maintenance and cleaning. Although it cleans floors well, it cannot clean itself. Therefore, if it's difficult to clean or maintain, it becomes pointless. However, the F100 does a fairly good job in this regard. It separates solid waste and dirty water, preventing drain clogs. The brush cleaning tool easily removes hair from the brush roller. The F100 also has a self-cleaning ability. You can lock it on the base and turn it to mode 2, and it will start the self-cleaning process. All you need to do is wait until it stops. After self-cleaning, the roller looks clean with no obvious stains. If you feel this is enough, you can clean the entire device yourself. The best part of the F100 is that you can rinse the whole cleaning head under the tap. In my experience, the head on most such floor cleaners cannot be washed, so this saves lots of time. After cleaning, if you don't plan to use it for a long time, put the main roller on the bed separately to dry it. Otherwise, it may develop a smell or even mold. And that's probably the only major drawback of using hard floor cleaners. Please make sure to clean the cleaner properly. Empty the dirty water tank and dry the main roller. However, if you use it often, you should be fine. As far as the cons, nothing is a deal breaker that would prevent me from using it. In fact, it has become a daily go-to cleaning solution whenever I need to clean the floor. The F100 is a solid cleaning machine that's suitable for small or large homes and apartments. It offers the option to clean up wet dirt all at once using the innovative automatic Bionic cleaning technology, which looks cool and operates quietly. The battery life is one of the best I've seen, and I only needed to charge it once during hours of video shooting. With its cordless design and agile cleaning head, it's super easy to carry and maneuver around the house. So currently the F100 is on crowdfunding and has the best price. So if you are interested in this product, please check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.